In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a LinkedIn logo, also known as an icon, into your Google Docs. Whether you're creating a professional resume, crafting a presentation document, or simply wanting to give a professional touch to your Google Doc, adding a LinkedIn logo can enhance the quality of your work with a touch of professionalism. First things first, you'll want to start by downloading or finding a suitable LinkedIn logo image. You might look for a PNG or SVG file, as these formats tend to maintain quality even when resized. There are many free resources online where you can find these images. Once you've selected the perfect logo for your document, save it directly onto your computer. This will make it easier to access in the subsequent steps. Next, open the Google Doc where you wish to place the logo. If you haven't already created the document, go ahead and set it up now. Position your cursor in the spot where you would like the logo to appear. This ensures that when you insert the image, it lands in the exact location you desire with no hassle. Now it's time to insert the image. All you need to do is drag the LinkedIn logo file from your computer and drop it directly into the Google Doc where your cursor is placed. Google Docs will automatically handle the image insertion for you. You should see the image upload in just a matter of seconds, and it will appear right where you dropped it in the document. Once the image appears in your document, you might find that it's too big or too small for your liking. Don't worry, resizing the image is straightforward. Click on the image and you'll notice blue markers appear around the edges. Click and drag these markers to adjust the size of the image as needed. Remember to hold the Shift key down while resizing to maintain the image's proportions, ensuring that the LinkedIn logo looks exactly as it should without distortion. And there you have it, you've successfully inserted and resized the LinkedIn logo into your Google Doc. This simple procedure can add a professional touch and clarity to your document, making it stand out. With fewer than 5 steps, inserting an image becomes a seamless task that can be mastered with just a bit of practice. Remember, a well-placed professional logo can make all the difference in how your document is perceived, so don't hesitate to utilize this method in future projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more useful tutorials to enhance your document creation skills.